Kavre Basic School in Bara.
Here we go.
My name's Bill Greenwood and I'm from Dubbo. This is my second eye camp and I've been working with Chris and Joe for the last 7 days, and we've seen enormous amount of people with all sorts of eye injuries, and it's been a great experience to have the look in their eyes, isn't it, Chris?
Absolutely.
When they go out of the room. Chris.
Hello, I'm Chris. I'm also from Dubbo. This is my second eye camp. I don't have the actual numbers to mind, but lots and lots of people, lots and lots of problems, and it is a real privilege to be able to help solve those problems and to meet the people, the local people.
And we're both enjoying it immensely.
Absolutely.
Dhanibat.
Welcome to the last day here of Camp 8, and you're in the screening room, and this is the engine room of optometry here. This is where we test people's eyesight, and it's the starting point before they then move on to optometry for glasses and further testing by the optometrist. It's been a fantastic camp. Thank you, everyone.
Hi everybody, it's the last day of a fabulous camp. Thank you so much to Rotary, to Ashok, to Rotary here in Nepal, and to Rotary in Australia, and the collaboration with Flinders University Optometry to give so much to the people who need their vision improved here in Nepal. It's been a fabulous trip. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm John from Australia. This camp has been a blast. It's so good to be here and work with people and help people get better eyesight. And it's been a wonderful team. We all enjoy being together, from 20 years old to 78. It's been great.
One medicine she had.
I'm a final year optometry student from Flinders University. As you can see, it's our last day of camp. We've had an absolute blast. We've seen lots and lots of people, and we're in this beautiful location today, which you might get to get a peek of through the window there. But it's been crazy, but it's been so much fun. I've had Lily.
Hi, my name is Lily, and I'm also a 5th year optometry student. It's been a really good experience coming here because not only am I learning, but I'm also helping a lot of people who are less fortunate than us. And yeah, I'm really enjoying Nepal, and I'll definitely come back.
Hey, my name is Dhanusa and I'm just at the Nepal eye camp, and we've been here for 8 days now, and we've been just testing some eyes of very people from very low socioeconomic backgrounds, and it's a really rewarding experience, and definitely we'll come again one day, inshallah.
Hi, David here. We're here at the last camp in Bara. As you can see, there's the rooms all around here. I was in the optom rooms today, and we're seeing a lot of patients, and we're dispensing glasses. It's quite rewarding just to see people get better vision that they can't get elsewhere.
Thanks guys, we're here today in Bara, and it's actually a pretty quiet day, so everyone's taking their time, everyone's very happy, and it's a beautiful day. Lovely way to end an awesome 8 days, 8th camp, and thanks to everyone, thanks to the team, and it's been awesome.
Hi everyone, last day of the camp today. I'm in dispensing. It's nice and quiet today, so everything's going really smoothly.
Oh mate, my mouth is just dying for this. This is going to be amazing.
So, you like pasta?
Sitting with your friends.
Alec, what do you like the most?
Kukura.
Kukura.
Okay. Definitely the dalba.
Jenny, खाना मीठो छ?
Very मीठो छ.
Sabina, what's your favorite food?
Dalba.